Yes, my people, as I speak, there's a roadblock in Stirling Castle right now in Kingston, Reddy's Road. They're blocking off and protesting about a kid that missing from last week, Thursday, and the people them find out say will be attack or me attack over Facebook and I tell them say yo, then if you go up on the road, go demonstrate and push out. Yes, I love that. Me love that. People need to go about them business, but the good have to suffer for the bad. You understand? Me love what I do and congratulations to the teacher that video hit and put it on Facebook Live. The principal for the school of the little girl. That's the way it's supposed to go. You understand? If a child missing from a school, the principal's supposed to say, okay, no school today, we taking it to the street. We're tired of it now. We're tired of it. We are taking it to the street. We are gonna block road and we're gonna protest and make the government and the police them know say them not do nothing about these kids. I love that and I respect all who come out and show them interest that them really care about this family member that is gone missing. You understand? People need to see them kids home. You think it easy if you know say yo you look like a daughter you used to sleep around this hand when you're grown up, you're pitting out, did they? You think it easy? If you know say your pitney would have come home 5 o'clock and you not come, you can't sleep. It never happened to me before, but me can't feel the pain. You know, yo anybody no have them your feelings, yeah man. Me I tell you, say them no have no blood in them. They no have no blood in them. You understand? Think of one time me look upon people pitney miss and me not even know the people them and me I tell you, say me cry living eye water. You understand? If you know say yo, mankind can so dirty and wicked. Eh? What them a take where people pitney for every day? What them a take where people pitney for? And let me tell you something. The government need to look. Every one of the deportees them we are come to Jamaica. Every one of them. Me no business where nobody want to say after this video. Yeah? But if you no look on the crime and the violence we are going in a Jamaica, most of them is done by deportees. When they get the opportunity America and England all over the foreign state and blow it, then go back to Jamaica go take up gun. And they don't like to see people at work and go to Jamaica go spend their money and live life. You understand? Them need to put a special watch. They need to put a special watch on the deportees them in a Jamaica. You understand? And who can anybody want to bash me after this can bash me for me not scared of nobody. And me not care what nobody want to say. But this thing, Jamaica is a beautiful place and them a mash up with country. Them a mash up with country. You understand? Them a mash up the country. And the next thing again, how much time when you look on Facebook and see murdering go on. The deported them murder one deported boy 26-year-old with them shoot and car wash where they come out and run a car wash and a bar. Imagine that boy there jail for murder a man. And the man when murder brother no say you are him murder him brother. And them Lego that the boy they come back a road. As the boy come back a road, the boy will kill the brother as the witness. What kind of stupidness that Jamaica no have no law? And that's why enough of them are go to Jamaica go do their crime. Because what? Them said no law no there Jamaica, then can go to prison for one couple months or one couple years and they back a road. You understand? Jamaica need to step up their game plan and like anyhow them bringing hanging back in a Jamaica and some serious sentencing for molesting a child. All of them people that we are kidnap people and them a give them 6 months or 3 weeks. Then if you put a penalty of 10 years. If you kidnap a pitney and then find it 10 years. If you kidnap a pitney and you kill it, your neck fi broke. Life sentence. You understand? It don't make sense to make no boy sit down at jail right now and the same family them a pay tax money where them kill them family and them same wanna feed them at prison. It don't make sense. Me not see no sense in that. You understand? The next boy again will kill the woman over here. Me feel say more time they give them pay them murder era. Too much time. Too much time. The murderers them want to find them guilty. Too much time. In America, the boy did cut in wife throat and go in at the park go make video after about him a call him mother and a call him friend. Me think say him there jail too much sit down now. I live too much life. Look at this a dirty soldier boy again. Killing nice wife and go bury her. Chop up the body and burn the body and go bury her. Yeah? Finally they find the woman body now. And the little dirty lawyer come make the boy get bail. The little dirty lawyer after the judge put such a bail ban pan him, you know, say, yo, him can't go come back. So the lawyer go drop the bail ban and make the boy get bail and come back a road. Thank you, Jesus. They find the body of the woman. So he is back in custody. You understand? He is back in custody. You understand? And these people in Jamaica, you don't need to take anyhow you hear say me get deported and come to Jamaica. I don't have it in mind to kill nobody or rob nobody. You understand? Me not have it in mind. Me not reach them the stage there. We would never ever go them the way they nor think them the way they. But if me come back as a deportee, we no put a eye on me because most of these crime and violence that going on in the country is by deportee and so like a dirty nasty Haitian we come they come run off in a Jamaica country. For me not think say no normal Jamaica go out with them a crime and mash up their country. Me not think so. Trinidad again, the crime rate turn up at Trinidad. The murder scene turn up. The little idiot boy them at Trinidad and Jamaica, them fool about them dunce and what? Dunce and them no business, them just kill and collect. Kill and collect. So no rather stay out of school, no learn no trade and just kill and collect. One day on the time must come. I'm done.